Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories in company filings. And today it looks like ClearSign Technologies might be celebrating, but let's see if the numbers tell the same story. Alright folks, we've got a Form 8K filing from ClearSign Technologies Corporation. This is like a company's immediate update to the world, usually for big news. What's the big news here? It seems to be all about their latest financial results and a conference call that happened. So on August 14th of 2025, ClearSign Technologies put out a press release with their financial results for the quarter that ended June 30th, 2025. This is where we get the nitty-gritty on how they're doing financially. This is a company that's publicly traded, listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC under the ticker CLEAR. They're incorporated in Delaware, and their main office is in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Now, the exciting part, like most companies, ClearSign has common stock and it's traded on the Nasdaq. This is what most investors buy stock in. This section usually points to the core financial information. They're telling us that the financial results they're releasing are key to understanding their operational health and how they're performing financially. Regulation FD, or fair disclosure, means that when a company puts out important information, they have to make sure everyone can access it. They can't just tell a select few, it has to be public knowledge. So this filing is basically them making sure their earnings announcement and related call are officially out there for everyone. They issued a press release on August 14th. This is likely the document that contains the actual financial numbers we want to dig into. It's a big deal because it's the company's own reporting of their performance. Following up on the press release, they also held a conference call. This is where management usually talks through the numbers, gives more color on what's happening, and answers questions from analysts. It's a crucial part of understanding the company's perspective and future outlook. This is the section where they list all the supporting documents that go with this report. Think of it as the appendix. Here it is, Exhibit 99.1, the actual press release with the financial results. This is what we really need to get into. And Exhibit 99.2, the transcript of that conference call. This will give us the management's commentary and the questions that investors or analysts had. Then we have the interactive data file. This is for electronic filing, making the information more accessible for automated systems and analysis. It's like having the numbers in a machine-readable format. And to wrap it all up, we have the signature from Colin James Deller, the Chief Executive Officer, certifying that this report is accurate to the best of his knowledge. Now let's dive into what these results might actually mean. The filing tells us about a press release and a conference call on August 14th detailing the financial results for the quarter ending June 30th, 2025. While the filing itself doesn't contain the raw numbers, these exhibits are where the real story lies. We have to infer based on the events. A press release for financial results typically highlights revenue, profit, and key performance indicators. If profits were up significantly, we'd expect positive language about strong performance. If revenue grew, it would be a key talking point. But if there were challenges the company filed while the filing itself doesn't contain the raw numbers, these exhibits are where the real story lies. We have to infer based on the events. A press release for financial results typically highlights revenue, profit, and key performance, indicating its periodic financial health to the public and investors. Without the actual exhibits, it's hard to give specific figures, specific segments that performed well, while downplaying weaker areas. The conference call is even more critical because management gets to explain the numbers and answer tough questions. The types of questions asked can reveal in. So what's the real story here? Companies like ClearSign Technologies are often in innovative sectors, technology-driven fields where growth can be rapid but also volatile. They are essentially updating the market on their progress. The fact that they're holding a conference call suggests they have something significant to discuss, whether it's exceptionally good or perhaps needing explanation. The real insight comes from comparing these results to their previous performance and to their competitors. Are they gaining market share? Is their revenue growing faster or slower than the industry average? Are their costs under control? Management's tone during the conference call, confident or cautious, is also a significant indicator. If they're talking optimistically about securing new contracts or demonstrating the value of their technology in real-world applications, that's a positive sign. If they seem to be hedging their bets or facing increased competition that's impacting their margins, that warrants caution. It's a game of looking beyond the headlines to the underlying substance of their financial performance and strategic direction. They are aiming to reassure investors and potentially attract new the headlines to the underlying substance of their financial performance and strategic direction. Alright, that's our initial decode of this ClearSign Technologies filing. What's your take on what these financial updates might reveal about their future performance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more dives into the world of corporate finance. And don't forget to join our Discord community for even more discussions, linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decode.